Good morning, friends! Happy Saturday to all of you. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you the latest stimulus news and information. Inflation surged nearly 7% in November, even more than lawmakers in Congress expected. Social Security beneficiaries could see a stimulus payment deposited into their bank accounts very soon. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
So after the Democrats lost the races in November, including Virginia and across the country, they said they had to do something to help energize their Democrat donors. And they looked for something they could put in this reckless tax and spending bill, which would help those folks out. And what they've put in there is something that's going to turn out to be cash for Christmas for their largest donors. This is something that was not in the original bill, and Nancy Pelosi just put it in after the elections in November. So who benefits? Well, the people who own the penthouse apartments in New York City that overlook Central Park, who hold the big fundraisers for the Democrats, the people who own the mansions in California.
More than 169 million payments have been sent out in the third round of stimulus checks. But many groups are still continuing to push for a fourth as inflation continues to bite, as well as the ongoing crisis. Earlier this fall, the Senior Citizens League, a nonpartisan advocacy group, started a pressure campaign to push Congress to send to those who are receiving Social Security additional stimulus money. In a letter to leaders of Congress, Chairman Rick Delaney called for a one-time payment of $1,400 Social Security stimulus payments for all seniors. Rick Delaney urged members to send a special $1,400 stimulus check to those receiving Social Security benefits. In a letter to leaders of Congress, Chairman Rick Delaney called for a one-time payment of $1,400 to Social Security beneficiaries. Such a measure could help defray the costs associated for some seniors from the 2022 cost of living adjustment, which was the highest in 40 years, pushing them into a higher tax bracket. This is all in reaction to the high levels of inflation that the American economy is dealing with. Prices across our country are reaching record highs, and for those on a fixed income like Social Security, they are seeing rapid decreases in their purchasing power. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has reported that since October 2020, now consumers are paying an average of 6.2% more across the market. Prices for food have gone up, while energy costs are up more than 30%. The campaign began before the announcement of the 5.9% cost of living adjustment. But still, the organization has continued arguing that it's not enough. Earlier this year, the organization began to hear reports from thousands of seniors who said that they were experiencing extreme financial hardship as prices for everything began to trend upward. Many have expressed a feeling of abandonment from our government, stating that our government has forgotten about its seniors. So friends, do you think that our government has forgotten about its seniors? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Researchers have found that costs for seniors have outpaced COLA increase. Over the last 21 years, COLAs have raised Social Security benefits by 55%. The cost for housing and healthcare increased 118 and 145%. Last month, the House of Representatives passed the Build Back Better Act. The bill does include some benefits for seniors. This includes the expansion of Medicare to include hearing services and provisions that will grant the government power to negotiate a limited amount of prescription prices with pharmaceutical companies each year. Now, the bill will head to the Senate, where its fate is extremely unclear. Under great pressure from more conservative Democrats, those leading the bill have been forced to consider taking some aspects out of the legislation. To pass, every Democrat will need to vote on it, and at this point, Kristen Sinema and Joe Manchin have said they would like more time to review the report that was published by the Congressional Budget Office. So friends, do you think that the Build Back Better plan should include more financial assistance for seniors? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is fireplace. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure you click and like my videos, and make sure you comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The petition to raise support for a fourth round of stimulus checks has reached over 1 million signatures. So far, the Center on Medicare and Medicaid announced a 14.5% increase in the price of the Medicare Part B premium, which is subtracted from a Social Security beneficiary's check each month. From 2020 to 2021, the price only increased 2%, showing the impact that inflation is having on the healthcare market as well. Inflation accelerated at its fastest pace since 1982 in November. The Labor Department said that putting pressure on the economic recovery and raising the stakes for the Federal Reserve. The Consumer Price Index, which measures the cost of a wide-ranging basket of goods and services, rose nearly 1% for the month. The Consumer Price Index, which measures the cost of a wide-ranging basket of goods and services, rose nearly 1% for the month. Food prices have jumped 6.1% over the year. Food prices have jumped 6.1% over the year, while used car and truck prices, a major contributor to the inflation burst, are up nearly 32%, following a 2.5% increase last month. Are you concerned about inflation like myself? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Saturday morning. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching all of my videos. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Friday. And if you would like to enter the giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video. The 3 winners of this week's giveaway are Coretta Bagwell, Joy Clark, and Candy Evans. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much, friends. And I hope you all have a very, very blessed weekend.